It's time to grab your orange Jello. Oranges, s'moranges, who says? Oranges, s'moranges, who says? Oranges, s'moranges, who says? There ain't no rhyme for oranges. I love Jello, makes me mellow. Right on. I'm making a recipe from my childhood. It actually came from my church cookbook. It's called Sunshine Cake. Let it shine. You just have to start with a lemon cake mix. Bake it according to directions. It's baked. Now it's time to poke holes all over that cake. We need our orange Jello now, mixed with 3/4 cup of boiling hot water. Stir until dissolved for 2 minutes. Let's add 1/2 cup of cool water. Pour that liquid sunshine all over that cake. Time to let it chill in the fridge. For the topping, we need some lemon Jello pudding. Mix in a cup of cold milk and 8 ounces of Cool Whip. Mix it all together. We'll pour and spread that on top. I'm gonna let it chill in the fridge for another 1/2 hour, and then I'll be ready to eat it. Sunshine cake. It's a sunshine day. Thanks for watching. What do bakers and sunbathers have in common? They both don't want to burn their buns.